friends, are you ready to learn today? Let's get ready. Are you crisscross? Are you crisscross? Eyes on me, eyes on me. Hands in your lap, quietly, quietly. All right, friends, let's figure out what day it is today. Remember, we use our calendar because it tells us all the days of the week. So let's look at Sunday. Does Sunday have a number? It does. Sunday has the number 3. What about Monday? Does Monday have a number? Monday has the number 4. Does Tuesday have a number? Tuesday has the number 5. Tuesday was yesterday. Does Wednesday have a number? It doesn't have a number. Today is Wednesday. Let's sing the days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, friends, let's count and figure out what number today is. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today's number is 6. Today's number is number 6. All right, friends, remember we are in our brand new month. What month is it? Starts with the letter M. M is for May. M is for May. Let's sing our month song. Stand up with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then we turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, then we sit back down. Okay, sit down. Okay, friends, remember this week we are talking all about plants, and we're going to go through our cycle again. We start out with our little seed, and as it begins to sprout, it sends up leaves on the stem and roots down in the ground, and it gets taller and taller until at last we get our flower. And we talked about this earlier, but what does our plant need to grow? Our plant needs the soil. Our plant needs the sunshine. And our plant needs water. If a plant has soil, sunshine, and water, the plant will most likely grow. And remember, when it gets to this stage, when it becomes a flower, the flower makes new seeds, and then we can start all over. The flower makes new seeds, and we can plant it and have a new flower for the next season. And this is what it looks like all in a row. We start with our seed, and it grows all the way to a flower, and the flower makes seeds, and it starts over again. All right, let's sing our song all about the little seed. I'm a little planted seed, see the rain falling on me. Sun shines down through the trees. These are the things I need indeed. Oh, how happy they make me. I'm a little growing seed. All right, friends, let's do our letters. A is for apple. Apples are sweet. A is for apple. Apples are sweet. B is for bird. Birds can fly. B is for bird. Birds can fly. C is for carrot. Carrots are orange. C is for carrot. Carrots are orange. D is for dog. A dog likes to play. D is for dog. A dog likes to play. E is for elephant. Elephants are big. E is for elephant. Elephants are big. F is for fish. Fish live in water. F is for fish. Fish live in water. G is for giraffe. A giraffe is tall. G is for giraffe. A giraffe is tall. H is for house. Do you live in a house? H is for house. Do you live in a house? I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold. J is for jelly beans. Jelly beans are small. J is for jelly beans. Jelly beans are small. K is for kite. A kite likes wind. K is for kite. A kite likes wind. L is for lamb. A lamb is soft. L is for lamb. A lamb is soft. M is for moon. The moon is full. M is for moon. The moon is full. N is for nest. This nest has 2 eggs. N is for nest. This nest has 2 eggs. O is for owls. Owls like the night. O is for owls. Owls like the night. P is for pig. Pigs are pink. P is for pig. Pigs are pink. Today we have a brand new letter, Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. A queen is important. Q is for queen. A queen is important. Okay, friends, today we are going to be using flowers to help us count. All right, I'll see you in just a second. Okay, friends, today we are going to match numbers on our flower middles to petals that go around the flower. So we're going to start with this number. Do you know what number this is? This is number 0. 0 will have no flowers. 0 doesn't have anything, so this flower has no petals, 0 petals. Our next number is number 1. 1. We're going to put 1 petal with number 1. Our next number is number 2. 2. Let's count out 2 petals for number 2. 1, 2. What comes after 2? 1, 2, 3. 3. We need to count out 3 petals for number 3. 1, 2, and 3. 3 petals for number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count 4 petals for number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could do this at home too. Have mom or dad help you cut out circles out of paper and write the numbers in there for you, and then cut out petals. Now you could use all white paper and color it with your crayons, or you could use construction paper. Just remember to have mom or dad help you with the scissors and write the numbers with you, okay? We always start with our 0. 0 is the beginning of the number line, and remember that 0 has no petals. 0 has nothing. It's a placeholder number. It has nothing. So we start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can go up to as many numbers as you would like, okay? I'll see you back on the carpet. Thank you for counting with me. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.